Welcome back. In this video, we'll explore how movies use colors to create different moods or meanings by creating a custom color wheel based on a movie of your choice. First, start by opening the template, which is available in the description of this video. You'll need to sign in with Google to create an account with Figma. Click the arrow at the top center of the file name and choose Duplicate to your drafts. Next, let's add the images. Search Google Images for images of the movie that match each of the colors from the wheel in the template. If you're having trouble finding the right color, you can add the name of the color in your search. When you find the image, right-click it and choose Copy Image. Then, go back over to Figma and click on the color triangle and press Ctrl-V on the keyboard or Command-V if you're using Mac to replace it with the image. Click on Image on the right panel and then click Fill and choose Crop. Move and scale the image to fit the triangle by dragging on it or holding Shift and dragging the corners of the image. Make sure you don't drag the blue frames. Press Enter on the keyboard when you're happy with the cropping. Now repeat the same process for each of the colors. Once you're done with your color wheel, simply double-click on the movie title and replace it with your movie's title. And then do the same thing with your name at the bottom. Finally, let's replace the color squares in the bottom left corner with the colors of your movie screenshots. To do this, first click on each color in the bottom left, then press I on the keyboard to choose the eyedropper tool. Then click the color from the wheel to replace it with the movie color. Do this for each of the colors. To save a copy of your poster, click where it says Your Design in the top left corner of your poster. Scroll down on the right panel until you see Export. Click the plus icon. Then click Export Your Design. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Take care.